Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Please start your videos, all of you. Everyone, please start your video.
Sir, my phone is on charge, so I cannot start my video.
The class 5A students. 5A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बेटा 5A वाले जो बच्चे हैं मेरे को ये बताइए we have done till which question of exercise 4.4 in your class?
Sir, we have done the 4.4B1.
We have done
We have to start next one, sir.
which one? We have to start which one?
Sir.
We have done the 4.4 B4.
B, which part? We have done which part of B?
Then 4.
Sir, we have
Then
done
4.
till...
They have to start 4.4.
Sir, no, we have done... Sir, we have on the fifth one.
नहीं बेटा एक बात मेरे को बताइए निहित अग्रवाल यू आर फ्रॉम क्लास 5A ना निहित अग्रवाल
Yes,
5A
ma'am.
हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
निहित टेल मी we have done till which part of question B?
Ma'am, we have. Ma'am, sir, A. 4.4A. Sir.
हाँ नहीं A
Sir,
तो
we have
कंप्लीट A तो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया B पार्ट में कहाँ
just
तक कर
in
लिया
the
हमने?
previous class we have complete. Sir, B.
हाँ
Till we have done till. Ma'am, sir, we are on second one.
we are on second one. We have to start the second one. That means okay. 5B students, Dhwani.
Sir, we are on solve the following 4.4 exercise.
4.4, solve the following. That means B,
Yes,
question B. And till which part we have done in this?
sir, we are on fifth one, sir. Fourth one we have done.
We have to start the
Till
fifth.
fourth question we have done. How
Till
much
fourth we have
is...
done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will do the second, third quickly because 5A students have not done these questions. Okay. And then we
Okay,
will
sir.
start the fifth one. Okay. Just 5B students, you can just do the revision of these questions. Okay. It will take 5 minutes. Let me start. Okay. So we have to start the second part because 5A students have done the first part of question B. So exercise 4.4. This is B, question B. Second part. The second part is what number is the predecessor of 43,750? 43,750 का predecessor लिखना है. Very easy
Sir,
thing.
this question has to done A section or B both section.
I think B section students have already done it.
Yes, sir.
So,
We have
Sir,
done.
yes,
so
sir.
it is they can take it as a revision. Okay, A students will do it for the first time. So A students, section A students are doing it.
Okay, sir.
The predecessor of which number? 43,750. So 5A students will tell me. 5A students. What is the predecessor of 43,750?
Sir, the predecessor of 43,750 is 43,700. Ma'am, sir, this we have done. That
What
is
is
we
the
have done.
answer? What is the answer, Nihit?
43,749. Sir, this exercise we have
43,749.
done. Sir, this exercise we have done.
This
This one.
exercise, matlab this question we have done.
Yes, sir. The whole. No, sir. This sir, whole exercise. I'll check
Whole
this
exercise.
Yes, sir.
You
Sir,
were
we have
saying
done
that
two,
you were saying that
four,
we are on second part. We have to start with exercise 4.5. You are saying, Nihit.
Yes, sir. Sir, because I have done that. In the previous class, we are on this one only.
Arnav Singh, where are you going, beta? Arnav Singh, are you going somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to start 5 now. Only 5.
Okay, let me complete this one. 43,750 minus 1. We will get the predecessor. So the answer is 43,749. Okay. Nihit Agarwal, we have done till the fourth part of question B. We have done till
Yes,
the
sir.
fourth
We have
part.
to start 4.5.
4.5. Okay. We will start with the fifth part of question B because 5B students have not done it. Okay. So 5B students, we will start the fifth part of question B now. Okay, everyone. So pay attention, all of you. Adrika, can you read the fifth part of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
A farmer earned a total of 50,000 by selling fruits and vegetables. If the income from fruit is 32,700, then how much did he earn? Then how much he earned by selling vegetables?
Sir, I can tell this one.
Adrika, can you explain the question also? Read
Yes,
it
sir.
and explain it.
Okay, sir. So in this, we will be subtracting the number 5,000 subtracted by
50,000.
32,700.
That is 50,000. So
Okay, sir.
can you explain the meaning of the question? What is the meaning of the question?
I am not done.
So the meaning of the question is a farmer earned total 50,000 rupees by selling fruits and vegetables both. If the income of the farmer by selling fruit is 32,700, then how much he will earn by vegetables?
Excuse me, sir.
So we will subtract 50,000 by 32,700 to get the number of the earning for vegetables.
Excuse
Very
me,
good.
sir.
Hanji. Very good, Adrika. Yes, Nihit.
Sir, what is the meaning of less than? I forgot. We have to add or subtract the number.
Beta,
In this.
it depends on the question ki in what is the whole sentence. It depends on that. Okay, वैसे less than का meaning क्या होता है? Less than का meaning होता है कि when we are comparing two quantities, तो उसका meaning
Sir,
less than.
sir, I can give you the example of question. Please tell. Write the numbers which is sir 5,000 then 389 less than 67,300.
So in this case we have to do subtraction. यहाँ पर मतलब क्या है इसका कि जैसे for example if I translate in Hindi, देन इसका मीनिंग हुआ 5389 67,351 से कितना छोटा है, उससे कितना छोटा है?
Sir, but sir, in more than, see, we have to subtract in both the condition. We have to subtract.
यस यस, इन बोथ द कंडीशन। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक ही क्वेश्चन को दो तरीके से पूछ सकते हैं। सपोज टेक टू नंबर्स 20 एंड 15। अगर दो नंबर्स ले लेते हैं 20 एंड 15, तो आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन इन टू ways। जैसे कि वन मेथड इज दैट 15 20 से कितना छोटा है, मीनिंग सेम। एंड एक
नहीं हो रहा।
So I can't hear you. Voice.
wait, I stopped speaking because someone's mic was on. Yes, now Nihit, suppose let's take two numbers 15 and 20। दो numbers हमने ले लिए 15 and 20। अब when we are comparing 15 and 20, तो हम दो तरीके से बोल सकते हैं, एक ही चीज को दो तरीके से बोल सकते हैं। दैट इज फर्स्ट मेथड इज, अगर मैं बोलूं ऐसे कि 15 20 से कितना छोटा है, तो आंसर होगा 5, माइनस करके आप निकाल लेंगे। एंड अगर ऐसे बोलें
Okay.
कि 20 15 से कितना बड़ा है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं, 20 इज हाउ मच मोर देन 15। तो लेस देन मोर देन दोनों तरीके से क्वेश्चन को पूछ सकते हैं। आंसर में आपको सेम काम करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट। तो 20
Okay, sir.
15 से कितना बड़ा, बात वही है, लेकिन दो अलग अलग तरीके से पूछ ली। या तो ये बोल दो 15 20 से कितना छोटा है, या ये बोल दो 20 15 से कितना बड़ा है। द मीनिंग इज सेम। एम आई राइट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
सो इट इज द सेम थिंग, चाहे लेस देन यूज करके बोले क्वेश्चन को या मोर देन यूज करके बोले, इट इज द सेम थिंग। So whenever
Okay,
we are
sir. Thank you.
comparing two numbers, this is the method that you can use. Okay. Just you
Okay, sir. Thank
the
you.
best way is just to you translate the sentence in Hindi first and then think of the question. Okay, because you are matlab, a young kid, you are in class 5. When you grow up, you will automatically understand everything. Okay. अभी आप थोड़े छोटे हो, so you can translate the sentence in Hindi first. Okay, all of you, I am explaining question 5 once again. Adrika read the question and she explained it. After I have explained the question, you all will do it on your own. So pay attention, everyone. There is a farmer. Farmer has earned total 50,000 rupees he has earned by selling two things. First thing that he sold is fruits. Second thing that he sold is vegetables. So दोनों को मिला करके he has earned 50,000। जो टोटल अर्निंग है उसकी दैट इज 50,000, दोनों चीजों से मिला के। सो फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स से जो उसकी अर्निंग हुई वो दैट इज 32,700। दिस इज द अर्निंग फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स ओनली। केवल फ्रूट्स की अर्निंग 32,700 है। एंड फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स दोनों की मिला करके कितनी गिवन थी, 50,000 गिवन थी। यू हैव टू टेल व्हाट इज द अर्निंग फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल्स से कितनी अर्निंग हुई है। So how will you do it?
You are not writing anything?
No, beta, I am not writing. I am explaining the question. So how will you find the earnings from vegetables? From
So by
total earning.
subtracting it.
टोटल अर्निंग में से फ्रूट्स वाली अर्निंग अगर हम माइनस कर देंगे, वी विल गेट द अर्निंग फ्रॉम वेजिटेबल्स। सो स्टार्ट डूइंग। आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू द क्वेश्चन। आई होप एवरीवन हैज अंडरस्टूड इट। Start doing it and send your answer in the chat box first. All of you.
Sir, we have to write the statement also.
Yes, write down the statements also and give your answer in the chat box first. पहले chat box में answer देना, उसके बाद we will do it. Yes, only few of you have sent the answer. There are so many students in the meeting, and only 8 or 9 have sent the
Student
answer.
have to send. Sir, all student have to send.
Yes, beta, सबको answer send करना.
Okay, sir. Because sir, we have done yesterday.
Send the answer in the chat box.
Yes, I have seen Priyan, Shadrika, Riddhi, Adya, Arushi, Naman, Mehul,
Sir,
check
send
your
it in the
answers.
chat box the answer.
Nihit. So all these students have sent the answers. Very good. Mehul, check your answer again.
Sir, I'm thinking that my answer is not correct.
Okay, so first of all, you will write earnings from total earning 50,000. I'm not writing these statements, okay? I'm just doing it just so that you can check your answer. The first statement will be
Sir, I can get first.
total
50,000.
earnings. Total earnings 50,000. Earnings
Yes,
from
sir.
fruit से कितनी
Income
earning होगी?
32,700.
32,700.
income from vegetables and
So
50,000
now you
minus by
subtract.
52,700. Yes, sir.
So when you subtract, you get 17,300. This is the earning from.
Yes, sir.
This
Sir,
is the earning
income
from.
from
My answer
vegetables.
is correct.
Yes, income
Sir,
from
farmer
vegetables.
earns
Sir, but
17,300
sir,
from
we have carry
vegetables.
from 5, so sir, there will be. Oh, sir, I have put it 6 over there.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good. Correct your Mehul. Correct your answer. Okay, let's do question number 6.
Sir, can I please read and explain question number 6?
Yes, Riyansh, please read the question and explain it. Very good.
There were 23,654 onions in a tractor. If 2,367 were spoiled, then how many were not spoiled? Sir, in this we will subtract because, sir, 2,367 onions were spoiled. So, sir, we have to tell that how many onions were not spoiled, how many onions were left. So, sir, we will subtract.
Very good, Riyansh, you are correct. So there is a tractor. The tractor has 23,654 onions, total onions. Okay. Out of these, some onions are spoiled. Spoiled का meaning होता है खराब हो जाना. खराब हो जाते हैं ना, जैसे have you ever seen, अगर कुछ दिन तक आपका जो फूड आइटम्स जो हैं वो हाँ फूड आइटम्स अगर कुछ डेज तक आपके घर पे अगर रखे रहेंगे 5-6 डेज अगर ऐसे ही रखे रहेंगे या मोर देन 5-6 डेज अगर ऐसे ही रखे रहेंगे विदाउट यूज देन they are spoiled, खराब हो जाते हैं. Okay, so beta please keep Pratyush Pal, keep your mic off. So
Yes.
food item जो होते हैं वो if you keep them for a long time they are spoiled. They are of no use, मतलब खराब हो जाएंगे वो. So that is the meaning of spoiled. Okay, now we have to tell that how many onions are not spoiled. Total onions हमको मालूम है कितने हैं. We also know the onions which are spoiled. We have to tell how many onions are not spoiled. So how will you find it? We will do subtraction and we will get the number of onions which are not spoiled. Okay.
Sir, can I send answer in chat box?
Yes, all of you start doing it. Write down these statements and do the subtraction and send your answer in the chat box. All of you quickly. Jaldi karo. Yes, yes, yes. Adrika, Riddhi, Reyansh, Adya, Arushi, Mehul, Dhwani. All these students have sent the answers, and their answer is correct. Very good. All of you. What about the rest? Is anyone still doing the question or you all have done?
Done.
Have done.
Sir,
Please
your
keep
voice is not clear.
please keep your videos on. Beta, there is some network problem I think at your end. Are you all able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So what will be the statements of this question?
Sir, number of onions in a tractor. Total number of onions in a tractor.
Total number of onions
Number of onions that would
in the tractor.
onions.
23,654. Number of spoiled onions. How much? 2,367. 2,367. Number of onions not spoiled equals to 23,654 minus 2,367. So when you do subtraction, your answer will be 21,287. Check your answer, all of you. Those who have done, they can check their answers.
Correct. Mine 21,287 only.
Very good.
Sir, my answer was correct and I had done it. Sir, now we will do 4.5.
Yes, we will now start exercise 4.5. Adya Bhatia has written the whole answer in the chat box.
Sir, book one.
Okay, exercise 4.5 we are starting now. In this question, A is to be done in the book. Again, we have to do subtraction. The exercise is based on subtraction only. So start doing question A of exercise 4.5 in the book, all of you.
Sir, in the book.
Yes. Question A. Start doing in the book. And start sending your answers in the chat box.